Don't let water scarcity to be a barrier to start your fish farm or to continue with your fish farm if you already established. Because in this era, there are several ways of raising the fish using a very little water, where you can rerun and reuse that same water continuously without changing that water. I know when it comes to fish farming, water is a tedious and difficult thing where fish farmers are losing greatly for changing the water all the time, and that's why you are covered. Yes, there is a circulating aquatic system made from flotation system made of filtration system and aeration system, which both work in combination to filter and add oxygen into the pond, making you to use and rerun that same water. And this even make it easy for you to even run a fish farm without even having a main source of water in the farm. What do I mean by that? You might not have standpipe, you might not have borehole, you might not have dump, nothing. You could just buy water and put it in the pond and install this system, and it will keep running. And yours is to make sure that you have daily cleanup and maintenance for the efficiency use of the system, and you are good to go. Probably you can have a backup water in case of emergency. Yes, which even if you work very hard, you will avoid that. Yes. So this is very simple. We use simple and local materials to assemble them and put them together with submersible pumps to make the filtration system for you. The materials include containers, PVC pipes, and submersible pumps. So this is very easy and simple to make, and you can contact us and we do one for you for free. We have had blueprints of doing this for customers, and we are also running this system in our farms, so we know the effectiveness of it. So contact us. The contact numbers are on the screen. Then we will provide you with this, and it is so costly much. It is just at 3,000 Ghana cedis for both. It could be more or less depending on factors or circumstances. However, this is the normal price for it. Don't hesitate. Get your water issue solved and produce your fish without worrying about water changes. Thank you very much.